Hello and welcome to TigerBridge. In this video, we will show you how to migrate your data to the cloud seamlessly. You might have to move your data for different reasons. For example, to increase your performance or security, or reduce your associated costs and maintenance tasks. There are two typical ways to approach migration. By doing the so-called Big Bang migration, where everything gets moved in one go with an outage window. Or by performing trickle or phased migration during a longer time frame. However, they both require a great deal of preliminary planning and admin work and can often be error-prone. TigerBridge is a software solution that can perform both migration methods. It automates the tedious process of trickle migration and brings additional benefits such as no vendor lock-in, reduced downtime, reduced costs and complexities, uninterrupted access to your data, and access to file system migration progress statistics. Let's further explore automated trickle migration using TigerBridge. We have prepared a demo environment where we will install and set up Bridge and its respective policies first, and then monitor the replication progress until everything is migrated, and we're ready for the switchover to accessing the data from its new location in the cloud. The installation and initial setup of Bridge is a fast and straightforward process. You need to download Bridge first. Go to www.tiger-technology.com/getbridge and select your desired version. Then open the file to start installing it. You will see a wizard that guides you through the process. Once Bridge is installed, you will have to select a source folder or drive. This is the location of the files and folders that should be migrated. We will select this data folder and set up a target cloud provider. TigerBridge supports a wide range of cloud targets and can perform data migration to multiple cloud targets simultaneously. To set up the target, you will need to fill in all the requested information. You can get the required access key from the cloud portal. Select the appropriate container to hold your data and click Apply to save your settings. TigerBridge will be in a paused state and will remain so until you resume it. You will have to edit your replication policy first. Replication creates a copy of your data in the cloud. Your files remain readily available at their original location until you decide to complete the cloud migration process. The replication policy enables Bridge to monitor the file system and track changes that need to be replicated. Click on the respective option in the Bridge interface. Here, you can select how long Bridge should wait before replicating your data. We will set it up to something very short, like 2 seconds, almost real time. Now we are ready to resume the work of TigerBridge. As soon as we do that, Bridge will start transferring your files to the cloud. While that is happening, you can monitor the process in a couple different ways. Keep in mind that Bridge will replicate any changes that happen while it is working, even changes to files that have already been copied to the cloud. The first thing you will see in the source folder is the different icons for replicated and not yet replicated files and folders. You know they are replicated when they have an orange stripe in the lower left corner of the icon. If there are 3 orange stripes on top of the icon, then data is in transit, not yet replicated. Manual replication is also possible here. You can right-click a file or folder, go to the TigerBridge menu, and select Replicate. Manual tasks are run with higher priority, which means before the tasks that are listed in the automatic queue. If you right-click the source folder or drive and go to Properties, you will find the Bridge tab where you can see some statistical information about all managed files and the amount that has been replicated. You can also check the Bridge statistics by refreshing the interface and selecting the source. If needed, you can also go to your cloud portal and see the files and folders copied over. We also have a friendly web user interface which can track the migration and show you the progress. It refreshes automatically every couple of seconds. As TigerBridge performs automated replication of all new modifications, it does not complete the migration job by itself. Once all the data is replicated to the cloud, it is up to the person managing the process to decide when the migration job should be completed. As soon as the statistics show that everything has been copied over successfully, you can switch over to using the cloud location of your data by either setting up access through TigerBridge as a gateway or skipping the gateway and using Bridge across multiple clients in a multi-sync environment. TigerBridge will not only help you migrate your data, but also provide you with some additional benefits like versioning, ransomware protection, and cost optimization by utilizing Cloud Archive tiers. By using TigerBridge, you reduce the risks and costs associated with migration while retaining full control over your data and providing uninterrupted access to it. This concludes our cloud migration video. Thank you for viewing.